Hello, Toasted Bread here, and today we are playing Dumb Ways to Die 2, the games. Let's play. Okay, this game has 3 maps and some pretty cool features. As you can see, it has tokens and yeah, it has 4 maps. 5th map is under construction and I have already unlocked 2 chapters. Okay, so let's get started with the first map. Dumb Dome. Boom. And yeah, it has these kinds of games too when you try to get to a map. Oh, this is easy. You need to avoid the javelins. If you get hit by them, you're dead. Yay. Okay. Boom. C4 in your hand. This is sometimes hard and sometimes easy, but right now it's easy. I'm not a good player of this game because I've not played this game a lot, but I've tested this game and it was pretty fun, I'd say. You need sprint in this one. If you fall, you're dead. Oh, this is hard. I'm probably gonna lose this. Oh, never mind. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So yeah. Oh, this is hard for me. Oh, never mind. I did it. Oh, this is sometimes hard, sometimes easy. Oh no, I think I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. Okay, dynamite. Boom, he's dead. I got so much score. Well, actually I don't. Avoid the javelins again. Easy peasy. Yeah. Oh, 1000 score. Oh no. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna lose this one. Oh, sorry. Oh no, I lost. You don't want to see the end. You don't want to see the ending. Well, 1000 score. How great. What? I'm sorry. So let's get to the next map. Drown Town. The train is really weird. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! I don't know what was the point of that, but yeah. At least I gained some safety bonus. Let's play. This is sometimes easy, sometimes hard. I'd say it's pretty easy. Okay, now we're gonna get some burgers from the chest. Yeah, this is hard when they swim fast, but right now they're slow, so it should be easy. Ha! He stepped on the sandcastle. Boom! Sometimes this is hard. Boom! Yeah, Michael Bay. Oh, this is really hard. I told you. Wow, I didn't know that penguins eat humans. Boom. Sometimes this is hard, but right now it's easy. Okay, when it's fast, this is hard, but right now it's easy. Oh, by the way, this game has 4.5 star rating. Okay, I need to walk on the street. Boom. What? Right at the ending. Man. Oh, no burgers tonight. Okay, 500 score. Not bad. Oh, bonus. D. Okay, whatever. I just wrote random stuff. Okay, this is under construction. We can't go there. We can't go there also because I wasted all my tokens. So yeah, boom. Okay, freeze wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! I did it. This is easy. Okay, here will be the easiest game of the game. Easiest game of the game. Okay, this is hard. I'm going to lose this one for sure. Oh, never mind. I did it somehow. When it's fast. Oh no. Boom. I did it. Boom. Yes. Pew, 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 pew. Ski safely. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Hot dog party. Guys, and don't forget to share and subscribe and like this video. So this was the easiest one. This is hard when it's fast, but right now I did it. Oh, slap that penguin, slap the penguin, slap the penguin, slap, 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 slap. Oh no! Oh, sorry. Yeah, I won. This score is not bad. Boom. It's getting a lot faster now. Yay. Go me, go me. Boom. I'm a pro at this game, man. Boom. Wow, he has lots of gum on his back. Oh, so fast. Okay, I'm gonna lose this one for sure. Boom, I lost. Man, I hate that minigame. Oh, and again, I lost. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Bye.